my grandfather speaks Yiddish, and I really wanted to be able to talk to him in Yiddish. I wanted a connection to the culture and speech of my ancestors. People sort of forget about the 1,000-year history of Yiddish. We kind of just hop from tragedy to tragedy, Crusades to Chmelnytsky to the Holocaust, and we forget about all this time in between where there was real cultural flourishing, there was life, there was real, Yiddish vibrancy in the world, which was tragically cut off. And to be able to explore that, to be a part of that, is just awesome. In my university, I'm the only person who took Yiddish. And then all of a sudden, I'm introduced to a place where everybody's here, more than 50 people, just here to study this one thing for 6 whole weeks. That's incredible. That's really just incredible to me. I think my highlight was one of these Thursday lectures, which takes place only in Yiddish. And one day I am sitting in it, and I realize that I understand 90% of it, 95% of it, which is insane, considering I came in here and I had a little bit of Yiddish knowledge coming in, really nothing. The program took me from here all the way up to here. People should understand that there's a real culture here, there's a real vibrancy to this culture that's being made here. There are entire pockets of the city which we're in where the language of school instruction, of home living, is Yiddish. The fact that people just sort of overlook 1,000 years of Jewish history and just think that this language isn't worth learning because, oh, most of the people who speak it are gone. It's only old people who speak Yiddish. It's only Hasidim who speak Yiddish. It's only countercultural Jews who speak Yiddish. I had a very average modern Orthodox upbringing, and I'm really excited about this stuff. I've already encountered Hasidim on the street who I understand speak Yiddish. And they looked at me very surprised because I engaged them, I interact with them in Yiddish, and they usually try to switch to English as soon as they hear my accent, or they switch to Hebrew as soon as they hear my accent. But it's okay. I'm gonna get better and better. I'm gonna be a landsman soon. If you come in with a growth mindset and you study hard and you work hard, you will find yourself in 6 weeks speaking a language which you probably never would have ever thought you'd be able to understand, let alone speak.